Hey guys, it's me Sylvia back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, let me stop you right here. If you have not entered my holiday giveaway yet, it's still going strong, okay? Happy holidays everybody. Merry Christmas. It's around the corner. And don't worry, even if you've been naughty, just enter my giveaway and you can win all these gifts. So make sure you click the link in the description down below to enter. It's very easy. Just put in your email and your information, and the only requirements are that you're following me on my YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. And you want to be following me on all those anyway, because I will be spreading out the giveaway prizes across my different socials. So my Twitter fam has a chance to win, my Insta fam has a chance to win, and yada yada, you get the point. So go enter. And yeah, today's video is gonna be my childhood dream basically coming true, because we are gonna open up a ton of advent calendars. Honestly, I really did not even know how big advent calendars really are. I only thought it was the little chocolate ones that you can get at like the dollar store, but they have advent calendars for like every company, and we are basically gonna open them all up right here and now, all in one sitting, and I'll kind of compare the different ones and we'll see if they're worth it. But we got a lot to go through, so without further ado, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and let's get right into the unboxing. So the first one that we're gonna open is one from Lancome. It's the Best of Lancome Beauty Countdown, featuring 10 beauty essentials. I'm so excited, it's like Christmas came early. I love being an adult. First little item is the Lancome Advanced Genifique Concentrate. It's this youth activating concentrate. I have tried this before. I do like it. And the next one, number 2, the Perfecting Makeup Primer, has a smoothing effect. Ooh, I've never tried this. Very excited. We gotta get through these really fast, by the way, because I have to get my butt to the airport to catch a flight in a bit. So I'm not gonna really talk too much about each product, mostly just to open and be surprised with me and see what we got. So the next one is the L'Absolu Rouge lipstick. It's so cute and little. I love how everything is so tiny. This is a really pretty red for the holidays too. So loving that. So number 4 is a bigger one. Oh, I'm excited. What is that? It's the Cream Radiance Gentle Cleansing Creamy Foam with rose and lotus flower extracts. And it's a cream to foam cleanser. It's supposed to gently remove your makeup, even waterproof makeup, and purify the skin. Very cool. So number 5 is their Définisil mascara. Lancome, why you gotta do me like this? Have everything in French. Goddamn, I can't even pronounce any of it. But I actually haven't tried this mascara either from them. Next up is number 6. Ooh, it's a primer for the mascara. Very interesting. Honestly, I'm kind of on the whole primer mascara wave, because it really does make your lashes that much longer. Next up is number 7. Ooh, that's a big one. That's what she said. So this is their eye makeup remover, which I have tried and I do really, really like. And honestly, travel size, I am traveling tonight, so I'm gonna take that with me. So for number 8, ooh, we got an eye pencil in black ebony. It's their Le Crayon Kohl. I'm guessing it's a kohl eyeliner. I speak French now, so. So we only have 2 more left. I'm zipping through this. Wait a second, they gave you 2 mascaras. This is another mascara. This is their Hypnos Drama mascara. So the Définisil mascara is supposed to separate and lengthen, and this Hypnos mascara is supposed to create instant volume. Last up, ooh, it better be good. It's number 10. You know, if you're waiting all those days, the last one better be the best item in all of these advent calendars. Oh, it's a little perfume. It's so cute. Look at that. I hope it smells good. I like it. Not so bad. So this is the La Vie est Belle perfume. I'm so sorry, you guys. This gloss is getting everywhere, including on my teeth, which are so white. Speaking of my teeth, you guys, I definitely feel like Ross from that one episode where his teeth are so white that they glow in the dark.
What's up?
They're literally whiter than my shirt. It's freaking me out. I'm actually really happy about this perfume. It smells pretty good. Don't know how to describe it. So loving that. Honestly, Lancome, I really like this advent calendar. I thought those were all really decent products to put in there. They are products that Lancome is known for, so it gives you a good overview and they give you a little bit of everything. We love it. Okay, next up, let's do this Too Faced one, which is kind of not really an advent calendar, but they called it an advent calendar, so I was like, it'll do. This is the Under the Christmas Tree Breakaway Palette and Mascara. So let's open it up. Ooh, okay, so you got a Better Than 6 mascara, the little travel size. We all know how I feel about this mascara. I really like it. And then you have, ooh, 3 palettes, and they make a little Christmas tree. How precious. So the smallest palette has a highlighter, bronzer, and blush. Ooh, all of which look gorgeous. The middle size palette has 8 exclusive eyeshadows. I guess that means that they don't have these shadow shades in any of their other palettes. A mixture of shimmers and mattes. And then the biggest palette has 10 eyeshadows in there as well. And it looks like you have some glitter shadows, some shimmers, and some mattes. I feel like everyone would love these shades. The packaging is adorable, literally A1. It's like this suede pink with the gold. Honestly, would get really dirty though, but they're so cute. And it's in the shape of a Christmas tree. We love it. This is a really cute idea. I mean, obviously, now that we opened it, I see it's not an advent calendar, but it was still fun to open. So next up, let's do Sephora's favorites, Beauty Vault 12 Days of Makeup. I'm really excited about this one because it looks like it has some really good items, but also Sephora, come on, why are you putting the stuff on the box? It takes out all the fun. Now I know what I'm getting. Also, I tried to buy the Ulta one. Actually, I did buy the Ulta one off Amazon and it ended up never coming because I wanted to compare the Sephora advent calendar versus the Ulta advent calendar. I wanted to compare them and we can't. So it's one of the typical ones where we just pop them out. Let's go to number one. Ooh, these ones are easy to pop out, thank God. So we got two goodies in the first one. Amazing. It looks like two mascaras. One is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and the Buxom Blackest Black mascara. Ooh, is there two products in all of them? This is so exciting. So we have the Sephora Sugar Sugar lip gloss. It's a beautiful nude with a little bit of a shimmer in it. I love me Marc Jacobs lip glosses. They're so good. And then we also have a Bare Minerals lip gloss in the shade Everything, and they didn't call it that for nothing. This actually is everything. Like, it's so beautiful. So number three is, ooh, what do we got? From Bobbi Brown, they gave us the bronzing powder in medium 2. But wait, how do they know what your shade is? Like, I don't know how I feel about this. I won't judge it just yet. And then from Nude Sticks, we have the Nudies All Over Face color, which is, I guess, a highlight and glow for lip, eye, and cheek. It can do it all. Whoa. Oh, so it kind of feels like it's like a lip balm. Next up is number 4. Whoa, yay. I got excited because I love this. I have it already. It is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. These are super hydrating, great to prime your skin with or even add to your foundation. And then you also have something from Milk Makeup. It's their holographic stick in Stardust. It's a multi-use illuminating stick that instantly melts into your skin. I like how they're grouping these into 2 and they're also like the same category of stuff. Now let's go to 5. Yay, brow stuff. So this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade number 3, which is my shade. Thank you so much, amazing. And this is the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. Oh, they're giving us another mascara. Now we got 3 mascaras in the same one. Why didn't they give us another brow product? I thought we had a theme going there. They tricked me. Haven't tried this mascara yet, but I mean, can get in line after all the other ones I have to try. Number 6 is, ooh, a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D in the shade Outlaw. It's a beautiful red shade. Love that for the holidays. And also the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. Ooh, it's got a little bit of like a beige tint to it. Love that glow. Number 7. Ooh, what is this? So again, lip products. We've got the Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm. I'm not really a fan of like chubby lip pencils, but let's give it a chance. Ooh, it reminds me of like a very slightly tinted lip balm. And then it also came with the Ciate London Glitter Flip in Infamous. They go on matte like a liquid lipstick, and then you just pat your lips together and it starts to get like super glittery. Number 8, ooh, something from Hourglass and Lancome. It's the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara in Waterproof. And this is probably my favorite waterproof mascara. It is so good. And the waterproof is just as good as the original version, and I love them both. And then also the Hourglass Caution Extreme Mascara, which is a really good mascara as well. Number 9 only has 1 in it. I can't get it out. It's the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, and it's like even smaller than the travel size version. Maybe I should do another full face using tiny makeup products and use the stuff that I got in these advent calendars. Are you guys down? Let me know in the comments. Number 10 has some more lip products. We have the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Do Me Baby. Whoa, if you say so. That's a really pretty color. I like that. And it also has a Makeup Forever pencil in there in full red. We're almost at the end. So we have the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Get those lips nice and juicy this holiday season. And the Sugar Dream Advanced Lip Therapy. It's a sheer pink lip treatment. And I actually have the full size version of this and I really like it. Last up, ooh, it's a bigger one. I'm hoping they went big, or they should have gone home. Ooh, they did go big. Look at these lashes. Those are so pretty. So these are velour lashes in the style Another Shot of Wispy. So I like those. I'll for sure use those. Okay, so that's it for the Sephora one. I really like the Sephora one. They gave you a lot of variety of products. I like this one. So next up, we have one from Target, Target Beauty. We got the 12 Days of Beauty. So there's 12 different slots there. Let's start with number 1. Ooh, so this is a primer from Maybelline to hydrate and smooth. Next up, number 2 is Raw Sugar Cube Bath Fizzer. Ooh, pineapple and maki berry plus coconut. Love that. Number 3, ooh, it's a big one. So it's the Argan Oil of Morocco Dry Shampoo. How did they know? This is all that I use in my hair. Love this. This was a great one to put in there. Number 4, okay, this one I'm not that excited about. It's a little tester of a perfume. It's from Good Chemistry. It is the Magnolia Violet perfume with essential oils. It actually smells really good. Whoa! Number 5 is another big one. It's a Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub for problem skin. Okay. Smells really good. Number 6, ooh, it's another skincare product. It's the Brilliantly Brightening Night Cream from Acure. It has argan oil, chlorella, and enchinacea. I don't know how to say that. And that smells like lemons. Next up, number 7. Ooh, it's a Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. I have this. I love this. Bomb, affordable drugstore highlighter. I'm happy with number 7. Number 8. It's a mascara from the brand called Well People. I've never heard of this brand. I do want to point out all of the mascaras that are in these advent calendars are travel size, but the bristles, like the actual wand, is full size. Number 9. Ooh, yay, it's a brush. Look at this. It's an e.l.f. brush. It looks like it's an all over kind of face brush. It's really soft and super, super fluffy. Number 10, ooh, it's a beauty sponge. This is definitely not a beauty blender, but it's a beauty sponge and it feels soft enough. Number 11, ooh, this is a Vichy Liftaxative. What? Vichy Liftaxative Supreme. I had trouble with that one. What kind of cream is this? I couldn't tell you. And it doesn't really say on it. You get a cream. Last up, number 12. The last item that you get in the advent calendar is from Bliss. It is a 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator with bamboo buffers. I mean, I'm not overjoyed that this was the last product. I don't think it's the best product. That's why. They should always keep the best for last, you know? But I will definitely give this one a go. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products. Like, what do you think of them? Okay, so that is the Target Beauty one. That one was a little bit different than the other ones. It had more like skincare, more hair stuff. It was more than just makeup. So I did like that about it. So last up, I saved the best for last, aka just the biggest one for last. We don't know if it's the best one, but this one is the advent calendar from Estee Lauder and it is extravagant, you guys. Look at this, double doors and shit. Whoa, okay, this one's gonna be difficult. Look at that. And they are actually like little drawers instead of paper or cardboard that you open. Let's get right in there. We ain't gonna waste no time. So number 1, oh, I feel so luxurious. This is like so cute. Does this one say anything about what's in it? It's just completely blank on the back. Let's see. Ooh, it's even wrapped. Oh, so this is their Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. This cream is bomb. It's actually one of their best-selling products, I think. And I have used it. I do really like it. It just feels super refreshing. It's a good eye cream. So pop that back in there. Number 2. So number 2 is the Pure Color Envy lipstick in the shade Desirable. It's a satin lipstick. It's a beautiful, creamy nude. I'm gonna bring that with me on my trip. Number 3, like this is a real advent calendar. Like now I'm trying to find number 3. This is what it's supposed to be like. Yay, this one is a little nail polish. It's a beautiful peachy nude nail polish in the shade Ballerina Pink. Number 4 is a perfume. It's the Modern Muse Le Rouge perfume. Let's see, moment of truth, does it smell good? Oh, honey, that's strong. That is not my taste. So far, that's the only thing I'm not really excited about because I don't like the smell, but that's okay. We got other really great products so far. So number 5, my earring is getting magnetized to this thing. So the next one is the, oh, it's a Shape and Fill Expert Serum. Interesting. It's supposed to be a lifting serum for your skin. So you put this all over your face before you moisturize. Will it look like you had a facelift after? I mean, maybe. Next up, number 6. Ooh, this is their Sumptuous Infinite Daring Length and Volume Mascara. It's got really short, spiky bristles. We'll try it out. Next up, number 7. Ooh, it's the Pure Color Envy Sculpting Gloss in the shade Plum Impulse. It's a beautiful, dusty pink shade. Number 8. Ooh, this one is the Bronze Goddess Bronzer. Love their Bronze Goddess collection so much, but I haven't tried the bronzer, so I'm excited about that. Number 9. So this is their Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is like award-winning. Number 10. Another nail polish. So it's their Pure Color Nail Lacquer in Pure Red. I love that they included nail polishes. Number 11. Okay, so we got another Modern Muse perfume. Hopefully I like this one a little bit better. Oh, I didn't like it. I didn't like it better. Because I love their Bronze Goddess perfume, so I thought I would like the other ones too. This smells horrible to me. Number 12, we are halfway there. This is their Brow Now Stay in Place Brow Gel. I have never tried their brow gel. Let's try a little bit right now. I ain't got no brow gel on. Looks like it's a clear brow gel. 13, it's the Micro Essence Skin Activating Treatment Lotion. So it looks like it's some sort of a toner for all skin types. 14 is next. So this is their New Dimension Sculpt and Glow Mask. So it looks like a really thick skin cream of some sort that's supposed to be a mask. It smells really good too. 15, and on the 15th day of Christmas, Estee Lauder gave to me Pure Color Envy Sculpting Lacquer in the shade Wicked Apple. Ooh, I love red lip glosses, you guys. Oh, yes. Number 16. Oh, we're almost done. This is so fun. I don't want it to end. So this is their Sumptuous Knockout Defining Lift and Fan Mascara. So we got another mascara in here. I haven't tried this one either. Ooh, this one's in blue though. Never mind, it is black. It just looks like the wand is blue, so they tricked me. I'm willing to try it along with the other 100 mascaras. Next up, day 17, another nail polish. This one's in the shade Fallen Angel. It is this really pretty berry color. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Number 18, this is their Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm. I like the Advanced Night Repair Serum, but I've never tried the cleansing balm. So it removed that mascara on the back of my hand there really easily. Number 19, so it's their Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. I'm gonna stay young forever with this. Not gonna lie, I know Estee has great skincare products and I'm getting a lot of them right now, but I kind of want to see a little bit more makeup. Come on now, give me some makeup. Number 20. So it's another perfume. I'm kind of scared to sniff this one. So I probably wouldn't wear that, but it's definitely my favorite out of the ones that have already come in the thing. Number 21. Ooh, another lipstick. Yes, more makeup. Thank you. This is their Pure Color Envy lipstick in Irresistible, and I really like that shade. Number 22. Woohoo! It's another lip gloss. It looks like it's this beautiful kind of peachy, sparkly lip gloss. It's in the shade Shameless Glow. Okay, so it's like a pretty clear lip gloss. It just has a little bit of a tint of peach. So that one I'm happy about. We're getting good here. Number 23, we're getting close to the end. Yay, another lipstick. This is in the shade Envious, and it's another red. They did give us a couple other red lip products, so I'm kind of disappointed that it's another red, but I mean, I'm not really that disappointed because it is gorgeous. Last up, oh, we made it to the end. I almost don't want it to end. This is their Advanced Night Repair Intensive Recovery Ampoules, whatever these little beads inside here are supposed to be called. Someone tell me what to do with this because I have no idea, but it looks cool. And they saved it for last, so it must be good. But yeah, that's it. I should not have done that. So that's it for the Estee Lauder one. It was the only one that had 24 days, and it was definitely the most extravagant one, but it was the most expensive one as well. And they did give you a lot of good stuff. Estee Lauder obviously is not super cheap, so they gave you a lot of their good goodies in there, a lot of their most popular products, but there was a lot of skincare stuff, like how many moisturizers do I need, you know? But I'm not complaining. I like it. I like that one a lot. So that's all for the advent calendars that I have to open today. Tell me down below which one was your favorite. My favorite probably had to be the Sephora one. I feel like it had the best variety of stuff and the most like makeup products that I would definitely use. And they gave a little something from like every brand. So you're getting a little bit of everything. That one was definitely my favorite, but let me know what your favorite was down below. Again, don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't entered it yet. Link will be in the description. And one more thing, up until the 24th of December, BH Cosmetics is actually giving you guys free shipping on any of your orders on their website that include my palette. So if you haven't got my palette yet, this is the perfect time because you will get free shipping. Buy one for your fam, family, your friends, you know, because you're getting free shipping, so might as well take advantage. The link for that will also be in the description. But that's all for today's video, you guys. Happy holidays. I hope you have amazing time with your family or your friends or however you're spending it. I will be spending it in Miami, so peep my Insta stories. Click here to cop my palette. Click here to subscribe. Watch my other videos if you haven't seen them yet. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Bye.